So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can basically claim free $1,000 for yourself. So if you are coming across this channel for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Samuel, and on this channel I make videos about making money online. So if this is what interests you, kindly hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime I upload videos like this, YouTube is gonna notify you instantly. So I'm gonna leave the link to this website in the description section of this video. So once you click on that link, you're gonna be taken to this interface where you're gonna be opportune to download this application on your Android device or on your iOS device. So once you download the application and you open it, you are gonna be taken to this interface, and all you need to do here is to click on create a wallet. So once you click on that, you are gonna be taken to another interface where you're gonna be creating a wallet for yourself with mnemonic phrase, as you can see on the screen right now. So all you need to do is to tap on it right now. So once you tap on it, you are going to be taken to another interface where you need to input a 6-digit password for yourself. So make sure you input a password you can quickly remember in this place right now. So once that is done, once you input your password, all you need to do is to click on next, and you are going to be seeing your mnemonic phrase on the screen right now. All you need to do is to copy it to your clipboard. Make sure you save it in a place that will be safe, okay, so that you're not going to lose it, because you're going to be needing it anytime you want to log into your wallet. Okay, so what you need to do is to write it down in a safe place. So once you've done that, just click on next step. So once you click on next step, you're going to be taken to another interface where you're going to be inputting the mnemonic phrase as they've given you in the spaces provided above. So they are going to scatter it below. All you need to do is to arrange it just as they've given you. So once you've arranged it, all you need to do is to click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, your wallet is going to be created automatically. So as you can see on the screen right now, I'm basically having $0 on the screen right now. So what do I need to do to increase this $0 for myself? That's what I'm going to be showing you right now in this video. Okay, so all you need to do right now is to come over to this setting icon at the bottom of the screen right now, and once you are there, you need to click on the invite bind right now. So once you click on that, you are going to be taken to another interface where you're going to be needing an address in order to claim this free $1,000 for yourself. So I've basically leave that address in my Telegram channel, and I'm going to leave the link to that Telegram channel in the description section of this video. So just click on that link and you're going to land on my Telegram channel, and all you need to do is to copy that address for yourself, and you're going to paste it here. And once you paste it there, you're going to click on the confirm button as you can see on the screen right now. And once that is done, all you need to do is to go back to the home screen, and you are just going to refresh it. And once you refresh it, you are going to be getting the $1,000 for free for yourself. And as you can see on the screen right now, it has actually reflected. Okay, so that's how you can basically claim it for yourself. Okay, so in order to withdraw from this application, all you need to do is to keep inviting your friends to this application so that this money is going to be dropping little by little on the AI holding position. Okay, so that's just basically how you can basically withdraw from this application. Thank you for watching this video right from the beginning to the very end, and if you have not done that already, kindly hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime I upload videos like this, YouTube is going to notify you instantly. Also, do not hesitate to join my Telegram channel for more money making tips which may not be dropped here. Thanks for watching once again. Let's see you in my next video. Keep winning. Bye from me, guys. Peace.